Welcome everyone. Got a bit of a 2-for-1 today. Got the Autobot clones. Their gimmick was that they look the same as robots, but they transform into two separate different vehicles. So these guys, let's see, those go there. Flip his fist in. I think this goes there. They collect? Oh no, they go. Okay, that's what it is. They'll spin around and the wings come out, and then we'll get a jet plane on that one, and okay, I think I can take this off. Alright, collapse a little. Oh, forgot to put his fists in. And then stick the spoiler back on. And you got a car. Sorta. But they were. I do actually have. And I found two of the guns. This is the sonic boom gun, which goes on the car, evidently. Maybe it looks like they're supposed to. Yeah. Maybe that's what. Got a place to mount them on his front feet there. Yeah. Cool. I didn't notice. I didn't find his guns. I don't think he has any place to mount extra weapons. Maybe that might. I'm assuming it'd be the same. Yeah, that would actually work. If I ever find his guns, I'll show y'all that. But I don't. I gave a pretty good look today. I don't think they are there. Sort of a Jetfire-esque with the stuff on top. But I also did find, amazingly, the instructions to this one. It was in 2 pieces, but I found them all there. Thought that was pretty cool. Otherwise, I wouldn't have known they were called clones, or that they were Fastlane and Cloudraker. And I don't. Now, let's see. There's that red tech spec decoder that I don't have. Let's see. Did I do his transformation correctly? Yeah. Collapsing. Did it? Looks like it collapsed. Supposed to collapse a little further than that in the picture, but it doesn't. Okay, and then on the back side, you got the. Oh, get a little bit lower. And they both have the thermal pads. And this one, they actually have these that are indicate which vehicle they are and the Autobot symbol. I think they both worked actually. Transform them back so I can. Okay. Yeah, jet plane and then the Autobot symbol. Yeah, I saying it. They used to fade much quicker than that, so I imagine that is the chemistry and time are slowing that process down. Not the easiest to get a hold of to pop those fists out, but oh yeah, and that's supposed to spin that around to make it sort of conceal it. They're not the same. Yeah, that one's not. Okay, got one. I think I'm going to have to get handy dandies out here. Yeah, and they're good. Get something stronger than handy dandies. Where's the pick out? There it went finally. Yeah, that one's snug. Back in armed again. Yeah. But there they are, the Autobot clones. What did I say the name was? Cloudraker and Fastlane. I dig it. Thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Gonna keep going for a while yet. Bye, everyone.